So what I thought was going to be a relatively quick job, as you'll see in these next couple of videos, is not. I have now done a series of these videos just getting the seat apart and fixing it up. So it's a little bit of a departure from pulling the dart apart. But anyway, it's all part of the process. So yeah, on we go. Then there. So we can see this has come away from here. We reattached, I guess. And this one attached is bent. A gentle tap with the hammer maybe. So the next video will be about cleaning up the frame and doing some welding and making some parts. So see you then.